In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace text with a blank cell in Google Sheets. This process can be particularly helpful if you're dealing with large lists of data and you want to clean them up by removing certain words or phrases quickly. It's a simple yet effective method that saves you time and ensures your spreadsheet stays organized. First, let's open your Google Sheets file. Start by navigating to your Google Drive and double-click the file you wish to edit. If your file is not already created, you can easily create a new spreadsheet by selecting the New button and choosing Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. Once your sheet is open and ready for editing, we can move on to the next steps. Now, to find the text you want to replace, you'll need to press the key combination Ctrl+F on your keyboard. This shortcut opens a small Find box in the upper right corner of your Google Sheet, allowing you to search for words or phrases within your document. It's a handy tool that helps you locate text quickly without having to manually scroll through rows and columns. Once you've located the Find box, you'll notice a small three dots icon, or More Options icon beside it. Click on this icon to open additional search options, which are necessary for our task today. These options allow you to refine your search with features like match case or match entire cell contents, adding flexibility to what you're looking to replace. In the field labeled Find, type the exact text or phrase you want to replace. For example, if you're looking to replace occurrences of N with blank cells, type N into this box. Be precise with your entry to ensure you target the correct content. After you've specified the text to find, move to the Replace field directly beneath the Find field. You can choose to leave this field empty if your goal is to replace the identified text with blank cells. Click on Replace All. This action will automatically locate all instances of the text you've specified and replace them with a blank cell quickly and efficiently. Finally, as a last step, don't forget to click the Done button. This action closes the Find and Replace dialog box and ensures all changes are finalized within your spreadsheet. Take a moment to scroll through your sheet to make sure everything looks as expected and confirm that the replacements were successful. By following these straightforward steps, you can clean and organize your data, making your spreadsheets more visually appealing and easier to work with. That's how you replace text with a blank cell in Google Sheets, efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.